What is noun? What is noun? Noun understand the name of persons or things. Kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, matter-less noun, and abstract noun. Subhash is the brilliant boy. Subhash, proper noun. Common noun: cow gives us milk. Cow, common noun. Collective noun: student, army. Matter-less noun: gold is a valuable metal, gold. Matter-less noun: abstract noun, it understand the emotional words who they. Pronoun understand instead of the noun. Ram is going to the school. He is going to the school. Rita sings a song. She is singing. Rita sings a song. She sings a song. What is verb? Verb understand the working or action. He is playing to the football. He is coming in this house. Adverb modifies to the verb. Adverb modifies to the verbs. He is walking slowly. He runs fast. Slowly fast is adverb. Preposition: in, on, with, above, across, between, beside. Between, beside, under. Conjunction: it understand the adding of the sentence. But, or, and. Interjection: it understand the emotionals such as also, hurray. Present indefinite tense: I go to the school. He eats rice. He comes in this house. Present continuous tense: I am going to the school. He is coming in this house. He is returning in this old house. I am looking to this picture. Present perfect tense: I have gone to the school. I have came in this house. He has came in the old house. Present perfect continuous tense: I have been coming in this house. He has been coming in this house. They have been coming in this house. Cat baby kitten, dog baby puppy, cow baby calf, tiger baby calf, lion baby calf, elephant baby calf, sheep baby calf, elephant baby calf, sheep baby lamb, horse baby foal, donkey baby foal, zebra baby foal, bear baby calf, sheep calf, camel baby calf, rhinoceros baby calf.